from the jungle, up in the trees. I got a few tricks up in the sleeve. One wrong move, I'ma let out the big shoes, check out the crease. Blow like I'm Bigfoot, step on the beat. Make a man's run till he step out the cleats. When the whole place scream, gotta get out the.
I don't know if you can see me, but it's 5:30 in the morning here in London. We're gonna head over to King's Cross and jump on a train and go to Leeds. This is the view from my Airbnb.
Nothing to discuss, I get the remedy for this stress, yeah. Double cups and shy, see this night, I choose to forget my trouble. I know everybody goes.
Okay, it's 6:30 in the morning. We're at the train station here, getting the train to Leeds. We're gonna go see Harry Potter's mini train station. It's supposedly here. Here's a little view. And of course, every American's pit stop, the good old Starbucks. Gotta have it. Okay, made it on the train. Scoot you guys over here.
Nothing to discuss, I get the remedy for this stress, yeah. Double cups and shy, see this night, I choose to forget my trouble. I know everybody got things on their mind now, but this time can make it forget that.
Okay, this is my first attempt at driving in England. This is what I drove. This is what I rented. This car here is $100,000. Unbelievable, huh? So, wish me luck. Okay, to all you Americans, I want to put my GoPro in this car in England. Wait till you see this shit. It's confusing as hell. But I've done all right so far, so we'll do a little drive to the airport. Here's my little car I rented. The Mercedes-Benz 450 GLE. The rental car people said if I wreck it, I owe them $89,000. I'm like, what the hell? It's an expensive car. I don't think it's worth that much in the US, but who knows? Oh shit, I think I took a wrong turn on my way to York. Just kidding.
Look, how many times did I mash this work? Feel like 10,000 days. Bros in court with the A-list model. Why's that? Cause she breached the NDA. Just had a call with Irish Jack. Man don't rap but he lets it spray. 2-leg ones came through their twinning, so I'm gloved up like Crane. Sweet one just wanna waste my time, babes. What's the ETA? I like my girl on time, that's period. Nothing but stress when you say you're late. Girl, you can get new nails and bags, but when I call cabs, it's underlay. And the waiting my name on that plastic arm, man, stop acting, babe. Yeah, what? Man, snowflake, bitch, you like 10 WAs. Future plan by your mum and dad, but she's out here testing fate. Old man when her son and Lori's got brains. She wanna break the law, my rock chains. Growing up, put her on the right road. Now man, she's out here mad on the mains. Hey, bare clout and nicotine that you're craving. Out in libertine, feeling faded. Bare problems, man, you've been creating. When I'm in the studio, when you call my phone, you don't stop, man, you got no patience. And they might know, but this time can make it forget though. I get the shy, you get the drinker. If you got mine, make me link up. Me, I go for patio. Me, I go for patio. All night, I dey sip, I dey smoke, I dey drink or something. See this line in my phone is on silence, I don't wanna hear nothing. Nothing, neither. But this night I choose to forget my trouble for life. I know everybody got things on their mind now, but this time can make it forget the feeling. Me, I go for patio. Me, I go for patio. It's just rainy days, I make sure I just let my light shine more. Anytime when it feel like this, I remind myself about this time. Big time, we jamming now. Should we dey look for happiness? Yeah, like we dey feel okay, like we don't go that way long. Say we gon' feel amazing, say we gon' feel okay, I know everybody got things on their mind now, but this time can make it forget I get the shy, I get the drinker. If you got mine, I make me link up. Me, I go for